How to log in to NatWest Bank online banking account. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel Create Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial. In order to log into NatWest Bank online banking account, open your preferred browser and in the search bar search for www.natwest.com. You will be led to the official webpage of NatWest. You will see the login button on the top right of your screen. Tap on that and you will be led to the first step of login to NatWest. Here you can choose to log in through your customer number or through your card number. If you choose to log in through your customer number and just in case if you have forgotten your login details, then you can tap on the forgotten your login details option there and recover your login details. Once you are done entering your login details in the checkbox you see below, if you want the device to remember your login details, then select this checkbox here. Tap on continue once done and in the interface that you will be now led to, provide rest of your details depending on the requirements and you will be able to get access to your NatWest online banking account. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.